Are you tired of trading your time for money? Do you dream of earning income without having to put in endless hours of work? Well, the good news is that there is a way to achieve passive income, and it's by leveraging the power of AI. Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this exciting video, we will explore some of the best AI passive income ideas that you can start today. Passive income refers to income that is earned with little to no active involvement from the earner. Artificial intelligence is a rapidly growing technology that involves machines and software that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as problem solving, language translation, and decision making. When combined, passive income and AI offer numerous opportunities for individuals and businesses to generate income with minimal effort. From investing in AI stocks to developing AI-powered products and automating businesses with AI, there are many ways to leverage the power of AI to generate passive income. So without further delay, let's get straight into the video. Investing in AI stocks for passive income. Investing in AI stocks can be a great way to generate passive income as the technology sector continues to grow and expand. With advancements in artificial intelligence, many companies are integrating AI into their products and services, making AI stocks a promising investment opportunity. Investors can choose from a variety of AI stocks, including companies that specialize in AI research and development, as well as those that incorporate AI into their existing products and services. It's important to do thorough research and analysis before investing in any stock, including AI stocks, to ensure that you are making an informed decision. Some examples of AI stocks include companies like Alphabet, Google, Microsoft, NVIDIA, and IBM. These companies have demonstrated a strong commitment to AI research and development and have shown impressive financial growth over the years. Developing AI apps and software. As AI technology becomes more advanced, the demand for AI-powered software and applications continues to increase. Developing AI apps and software requires specialized knowledge and skills, but it can be a rewarding and profitable endeavor. Developers can create AI-powered apps and software for a variety of industries, such as healthcare, finance, and marketing. These apps and software can help businesses streamline their operations and improve their efficiency, making them highly sought after. To be successful in developing AI apps and software for passive income, developers need to stay up to date with the latest AI technologies and trends. Did you all know this before? Stay connected because there is still a lot to watch. Creating AI chatbots for business owners. Creating AI chatbots for business owners can be a profitable way to generate passive income. AI chatbots are becoming increasingly popular as businesses look for ways to improve their customer service and engagement. Chatbots can be used for a variety of purposes, such as answering customer inquiries, providing product recommendations, and processing orders. By automating these tasks with AI chatbots, businesses can save time and money, while also improving their customer experience. Creating AI chatbots requires knowledge and skills in AI programming, natural language processing, and machine learning. Business owners can hire developers to create chatbots for their businesses, or they can use chatbot platforms that allow them to create their own chatbots without any coding experience. Business owners can generate passive income through chatbots by charging customers for access to premium chatbot features or by earning commissions on sales made through the chatbot. As AI technology continues to advance, the potential for generating passive income through AI chatbots will only continue to grow. Using AI to build and monetize websites. AI can help businesses create websites that are optimized for search engines, user-friendly, and visually appealing. AI tools can be used to design websites, create content, and analyze website traffic. These tools can save businesses time and money, while also improving their website's performance and user experience. Business owners can monetize their websites through various methods such as affiliate marketing, advertising, and e-commerce. AI can help businesses optimize their website for these monetization methods by analyzing user behavior and preferences. Overall, using AI to automate online businesses can help entrepreneurs generate passive income by allowing them to focus on scaling and growing their business while the AI handles the day-to-day operations. Creating AI-driven digital products. Creating AI-driven digital products can be a lucrative way to generate passive income. AI can be used to develop digital products such as ebooks, online courses, and software that can automate tasks and provide valuable insights. Digital products can be sold through various channels such as online marketplaces, e-commerce platforms, and affiliate networks. AI can help businesses optimize their digital products by analyzing user behavior and preferences, enabling them to create products that are tailored to their target audience. Stay connected, maybe we are just jumping into an end. Building AI-powered trading systems. AI can be used to analyze market trends, predict stock prices, and make informed trading decisions. Traders can use AI-powered trading systems to automate their trading strategies, which can save time and improve trading performance. These systems can be designed to monitor markets, analyze data, and execute trades based on predefined rules and algorithms. By building AI-powered trading systems, traders can potentially earn passive income through their trades. These systems can generate profits by buying and selling assets based on market conditions and trends. However, it's important to note that building AI-powered trading systems requires expertise in AI programming, finance, and trading. Using AI to optimize advertising can be a profitable way to generate passive income. AI can be used to analyze consumer behavior, preferences, and buying patterns to create targeted and personalized ads. AI can also be used to automate ad placement, bidding, and optimization, which can save businesses time and resources while improving the effectiveness of their ads. Business owners can generate passive income through advertising by earning revenue from clicks, impressions, and conversions. By leveraging the power of AI, businesses can potentially increase their ad revenue and improve their return on investment. However, it's important to note that using AI to optimize advertising requires expertise in AI technologies and advertising strategies. Businesses should work with experienced professionals to ensure they are maximizing their ad revenue while delivering high-quality content to their target audience. There are various AI passive income ideas to choose from depending on your skills, interests, and financial goals. Some options include investing in AI stocks, developing AI apps and software. When choosing the best AI passive income idea for you, it's important to consider your strengths, expertise, and resources. It's also crucial to conduct thorough research, seek professional guidance, and weigh the potential risks and rewards before making any investment decisions. By leveraging the power of AI, you can potentially generate passive income and achieve financial freedom. This was all about today's video. See you soon in the next video. If you enjoyed this video, we would love to hear how much you enjoyed it. Feel free to leave a comment. Be sure to subscribe to the channel so that you can see more awesome videos like this in the future.